guys! So, mag-open tayo ng Grow a Garden Dynamics. So, ito po pwede natin makuha grape, apple, mango, blueberry, strawberry, pear, green apple, sugar apple, or the secret. So, first, we're gonna alcohols. Ingatan natin baka ano natin. So guys, we have here scissors. So meron ditong pattern na ayan scissors. What is this? Let's see. Secret. Kaya to? Wow. The secret. The candy blossom. Oh my god. So, ito yung nakuha natin guys. The secret. Bye!